If you've been doing Zoom videos with your parents who are remotely isolated, you know how it's neat. You can do chats back and forth and back, and you could show them something from your desktop. But I have a suggestion here. If you've sent them YouTube videos in the past and email and you've commented and they get back to you in a couple days and then you kind of forget what it's about, how about if you could share those live? And what I want to show you how to do that here. You see, it's easiest if you have a desktop PC or Mac and using the browser really versus an app on mobile. It's a little harder. But let me show you. So they could have anything on their side, which I have an iPhone here. So if you, in Zoom here, if you go into share screen, and instead of sharing your screen, I have a YouTube video open here. And notice I click share computer sound and not this one, or you'd lose their video chat. So then I share that. And now you'll see that we both see the same thing, watching these ducks here, and we can talk about the ducks. But you could have dog and cat videos or whatever they'd like. And you can see I can still see them. You know, it's kind of hard because it's really me, right? In both cases here. But let me make this full screen in YouTube, and you'll see that we both get full screen, yet we still get our chat. And if I was to turn the sound up, you'd hear that there, and you can see over here where I can see my kids calling me. So this is pretty neat. So, and live videos here we could talk and laugh about, oh, what are those ducks eating? I really don't know what they're eating there. I don't see anything. So that's it. Just Zoom and just share out the browser that you have open running YouTube. And of course you can, if I make this not full screen, you can pick what's going to come up next, So that's it.